Welcome, in front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to check MAC address on this laptop. First, open the Start menu by clicking the Start icon right here, then search for CMD command prompt application, then run it as administrator by clicking this icon right here, click yes. And then in the following window, you'll have to input IPConfig /all, press enter, and then you'll see the list of your adapters, network adapters. Most of them will probably be disconnected, and as it says right here in media state, and a physical address indicates the MAC address for each of the network adapter. So if you want to see the MAC address that is being currently used, you should check the network. The MAC address is being currently used. You should check the adapter that is being used. So for example, if I turn on the Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi network, my WLAN adapter should start working. As you can see, it's disconnected for now, but if I enter the same command again, I will be able to see that the wireless LAN adapter is currently enabled, and the MAC address for it is written in the physical address right here. So that's the MAC address that this laptop is currently using, and that's basically how you check your device's MAC address. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.